Whoa, it snowed in Colorado today. We've gotten over a foot of snow. This is the most snow that I've seen here in a long time. It just keeps on snowing. We decided to build a snowman. As you can see here, a little snowman. And then we got bored and we decided that we would build a big snowman right here. What do you guys think? Pretty big, huh? It's bigger than I am. It's over 6 feet tall. What do you think, Oliver?
I think I can't climb that thing.
Wow.
I think I can climb that thing.
Here's both of them.
But I think I can climb the little one like this.
Yeah, it took us a few hours to do this. Subscribe if you guys like this type of content. But yeah, tune back in. We might take some more shots of all this snow. There's more snow coming.